Here's a janitor with the moss on it. No, it's a Goodman Desert Series. My bad. Yeah, couldn't read it. It's an American Standard Silver Series. Cannot get the date off it because it's all the way far. Oh my. Here's an unknown brand. Oh, it's, 2021. Here's the Lennox Merit. (2019). Oh my word. Oh my goodness. You can see here, this is a Ruud package unit. Yeah. I've never seen this before. R410A refrigerant. Oh, here's the data sheet. Well, this is brand new. It was installed last year, 2024.